used to be able to go ahead and clean one like less than a minute. Yeah, but that's on the boat. That's whenever basically live, you're able to peel them. But this is knifing it right here. This fish was caught yesterday evening. So in other words, I put them in the cooler. So you basically, if you try to peel them right now, the meat's gonna stick to the hide and you waste too much like that. Yep, Nick. Yep. There's so many of these fish that whenever they're in the bayous like that, they get hit by propellers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As long as they don't break the spinal cord like that, the fish keeps on going like that. It's able to go ahead and heal up. The hardest thing on a garfish is taking the back off of it. You got about 6 steps of actually cleaning the garfish, and you stay with those 6 steps like that, you'll be all right. It's just that if you touch a garfish, make sure you got gloves on. You think so like, oh yeah, I'm gonna put my hands on it like that? That gill plate right here is sharper than my knife. Seriously, that thing cuts you all of this here like a knife blade like that, you know? Alligator garfish is actually from the dinosaur ages. In other words, anything goes to eat its eggs, it'll roll over and kill them like that. I seen a video where a catfish ate the eggs and the catfish went belly up. A shark will not even mess with this fish right here. That's kind of like the smallest one we catch.